Hey guys, what's up? Swagbeam Laser here. Today we're going to be talking about combinatorics. Okay, so what are combinatorics? Basically, in poker, combinatorics are the amount of starting hands that you can have. And knowing them is good and important to know because then you'll be able to find what combinations of cards that are the best bluffs and what kind of cards are actually the best value bets. We're actually going to be using one of my favorite tools to do this, Flopzilla. No, don't click away yet. I promise it's an easy concept, but important. Okay, look, okay? I promise we're only going to use like that much of it, okay? We don't have to worry about any of this. We're literally only going to be worrying about like this little chart part, like just this. Don't worry. I promise it's not as much as people think. I promise. Okay, are you ready to hear the biggest number that you're going to hear in this entire video? 1326. 1326, fine. But that's it, and it's about to get a whole lot smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a question. And what I would encourage is that every time I ask a question, you take a second or two to actually sit down and figure it out, not just sit there and wait for me to tell you. So, how many combinations of ace-ace are there? I'll give the slower clickers a second to cook away. Mom. Just kidding. She wouldn't actually be watching these trash videos. Okay, so the answer's 6. Here are the combinations of ace-ace. No, I'm not using my illustrations. As few as possible is a victory for me. Sorry. Also, I think my writing's alright. I'm going to ask a tougher question now. How many combinations of ace-king are there? I wonder if anybody's actually still watching. If you are watching, comment what time of the video this is at, just for craps and giggles. Perfect. There are 16. Did you notice a pattern? 4 of them were suited and 12 aren't. I hope you noticed, because it's important. If you're going to be a poker player, you need to know that these suited connectors, which is what this hand is called, is super important. It's going to help you out a lot. But Brandon, there's got to be an easier way to count these combos without having to write them all out. Well, you're right, there actually is. Just multiply the number of cards. No, I swear don't click away. It's really easy. You've presumably made it this far into the video, so why quit now? All you got to do is just multiply card A by card B. 4 aces times 4 kings. Last question for this video. Almost done. This one's kind of easy, kind of isn't, but it's going to be easier now that I showed you how to do it. How many combinations of ace-x are there? That being ace and any other card in the deck. Before I give the answer really quickly, I just want to let you know that Flopzilla is going to be more prominent in the next video. Okay, so the answer is 198. Awesome, glad you got them. Did you miss the ace-ace combinations at the beginning? Maybe. But here's my answer. All written out. So, perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, leave a comment or subscribe if you really like this for more content. Tell all your friends you're trying to learn how to play poker along with me.